Screw Your Neighbor, also known as Cuckoo, Chase the Ace, and Ranter Go Round. How to play. The object of the game is to not have the lowest card. Each player starts the game with an equal number of life. Usually it's 3. Pick a dealer who shuffles a standard 52-card deck of playing cards. King is high and ace is low. The dealer deals 1 card to each player. Players look at their card but keep it hidden from others. Beginning with the player to the left of the dealer, then proceeding clockwise, each player has 1 turn. On your turn, you may either keep your card or try to exchange it with the player to your left. Your neighbor must accept the exchange unless they have a king, in which case they show the king and you keep your card. On the dealer's turn, they may exchange their card with the top card from the deck. But if the card obtained is a king, the dealer must keep their original card. After everyone has had a turn, everyone exposes their card, and whoever has the lowest card loses 1 life. Suit is irrelevant, so if several players tie for the lowest card, then they all lose a life. Gather up all the cards, and the role of dealer rotates clockwise by 1, and a new hand is dealt. Once you lose all your lives, you are out of the game. The last player standing wins. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddex.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.